Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the online English language class. I hope you all will be safe and sound today. Inspire Education System presents online lectures that will help you learn English. Let's begin. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent and the Merciful. Today our topic is uses of tenses. First, I'll talk about present indefinite tense. The present indefinite tense is used first to express a habitual action is, for example, I get up early in the morning at 5 o'clock. Look at another example. Adil takes tea with paratha every morning. Second, to express general truths is, for example, the sun rises in the east. Look at another example. The snake bites. Third, to express a future event that is a part of a fixed timetable is, for example, the match starts at 11 o'clock. The bus leaves at 10 o'clock. Fourth, it is used to introduce quotations is, for example, Nelson Mandela says, education is the most powerful weapon which we can use to change the world. Senshi says, a flower does not think about competing with the flower next to it. It just blooms. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you have learned something. Inshallah, see you in the next class. Take care.